Okay, let's just keep on going. All organisms have basic needs. This is a very true statement. This is not an opinion. Organisms is a term that we're going to talk about here in a minute, but let's first focus on basic needs. Basic needs. What do you think the basic needs for humans are? We love having our fancy cell phones, and I love having my coffee every single morning. And it's great that we've got, really stylish clothes. But are those basic needs? Could we survive without those things? Yes, absolutely. Basic needs are the things you absolutely cannot live without. An example of this is oxygen. What we breathe in is very important. That's what keeps us alive. Another very important thing that we all have to have, water. These are a few, just two, examples of basic needs. Okay, so basic needs are things that all organisms have to survive. So now that we've talked about basic needs, let's talk about organisms. Whoa, too far. Organisms. An organism is a plant or animal or anything that is alive. Anything that is alive. I am an organism. This dog is an organism. This mushroom is an organism. This child is an organism. Everything that is living is an organism. And like we've already talked about, a basic need is anything you need to survive.